Today, we will discuss Plain and Over Project, both open source initiatives. This gives consumers access to community help, program customization, and transparency. Core task management features are available on both platforms. A key component of every project management application is the ability for users to create, assign, and monitor tasks. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Plain prioritizes a contemporary, easy to use experience. It seeks to offer a simplified and user friendly task and project management interface. It is made to be flexible enough to fit into different processes. Contemporary UI or UX, adaptable processes, pay attention to usability, flexible, self hosted, and cloud alternatives, ideal for groups that value flexible workflows and a clear, effective interface. Open Project. A more complete project management tool is Open Project. A greater variety of project management approaches such as Agile, Classic, and Hybrid are supported. It has strong planning, monitoring, and reporting capabilities, extensive feature set, including expense report, time tracking, and Gantt charts, support for a range of approaches, strong ability to plan projects, robust on-premises capabilities. All in all, a platform for organizing and project management, tools for tracking progress and ensuring timely project completion, a way to collaborate on project assignments in groups. Therefore, both solutions share the primary goal of helping teams manage projects effectively, even as Open Project offers a more comprehensive feature set and Plain prioritizes a moderator.